What is going on, YouTube? This your boy. This your boy. Nick TV. You already know. You already know. This your boy. So today I'm gonna be doing a freaking fidget spinner versus a wine glass. Well, yeah, guys. Let's go get the wine glass out. It's gonna be a small wine glass, not a big one. So yeah, guys. Let's go ahead and get to this video. So let's go. You see right here, I had the wine glass in the 1,000 miles per hour fidget spinner. It's white. I'm not using my gold one because I need that one. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get to this video. It's about to be a dope video. So yeah, like I said, I got the wine glass and the fidget spinner. It's gonna be a dope video, guys. Guys, I'm gonna need something that will protect my face so the glass won't hit my face or anything. So guys, comment down below what should I get. I might protect my face with the I don't even know. Guys, but yeah. This is about to be a dope video. So yeah, I'll see you in the next show. This is trending on YouTube right now, fidget spinner. These little things. You can get these from 7-Eleven, 5 and Below, Walmart. These little things are really trending on YouTube. Like how, bro? That's crazy. But yeah, guys. Woo! Fidget spinner versus wine glass. The fidget spinner right here and the wine glass. But yeah, guys, I'm very scared. Oh, the glass don't poke my eye or something. So yeah, let's go ahead and spin this thing and get straight to the video. Boom. So guys, I'm spinning as you can see. Oh my god. You gotta spin this thing. Hold on. Spin this thing! So guys, I had to move because I can't really spin it on the table. So yeah, guys, wine glass. Let me get back a little. I had the wine glass, the fidget spinner. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little trick shot with this. I'm gonna spin the fidget spinner and throw it at the wine glass. So let's go. Yo, broke. Come on, bro. This thing is not breaking. I need the aluminum ones, bro. I don't know what that's in there. Oh my. I'm gonna spin this as hard as I could. Yo! Bruh! This, guys. Bruh. That's crazy. Yo. This is heavy duty glass too. Like how, bruh? I'm about to try to break the rest of it, alright guys? Just for you guys. I'm gonna try to break the whole thing. That just broke another piece. What the? That is so crazy. Look at all this glass. I'm gonna do the rest on the patio. So I won't be in the house because I don't want to get cut or anything. Or my family to get cut. I'm gonna sweep it up after. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rest outside. So let's get it. We out here. So let's go, baby. Yo. Come on. Guys, it's not breaking no more. I'm gonna do it in the house. It's good luck in the house, guys. So let's go in this house. It broke one time out there. So we back in this house. Let's get it. We gotta try to break it again. I don't know why I'm so tired, guys. I'm not no fat boy or nothing. But you guys, I'm barbecue sauce. We don't need that. I want to get close so I don't have to get cut. Guys, let's put this back on the carpet. Let's go. Glass stuck in me. Another try, guys. We gotta break this. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh, dang. Let's go. Come on, spinner. You're not working right now. Ah, dang. A little piece came off. I felt that, guys. Versus glass. Let me scoot this camera a little up some more. Move this out the way. Oh, it broke a little bit. Come on, Fidget spinner. Oh, crap. It broke some more.
Bruh.
I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Guys, look at the ending results of this Fidget spinner breaking the glass. Look at all the glass. But yeah, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget about that giveaway, 1,000 subs. And guys, comment down below if you want me to do any more, like, any more challenges, pranks, those type of videos. But yeah, look at this guy right there. And yeah, guys, that's the ending results of this fidget spinner breaking the glass. Hey guys, my fidget spinner is messed up a little bit. Like it got scraped a little bit. You can see those scrapes, right? From the glass. That's heavy duty glass. Imagine like aluminum fidget spinner breaking a heavy duty glass. Bruh. That's breaking ASAP automatically. But yeah guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'm getting out of here. Don't forget about that 1K giveaway. Ooh. Peace. Peace.